Now at TPP, on our investment platform, we employ 3 categories of trading strategy. Now category 1 is our leverage tracker. Now I think we all know that tracking global stock markets is a fantastic long-term growth tool. But why do we have to pay our wealth manager to track these markets for us and at the same time reduce our returns via their management and performance fees? Now at TPP, we have designed an alternative. With our 1.5 times leverage trackers, why make 7% per annum with your wealth manager before the fees when you can link to a structure that generates 1.5 times your market benchmark performance? Now at the same time, obviously volatility has increased 1.5 times as well, but as a long-term growth tool, they're incredibly hard to beat. So if you'd like to find out more about TPP's leverage trackers or TPP in general, reach out for a free and absolutely no obligation call with our team, and we'll be delighted to have a conversation.